Good morning, children. In the last video, we have done till illustration number 14. So, today I am going to explain you illustration number 15. Okay, so probability first chapter, illustration number 15. Let's start. So, the question is find the probability of having 53 Thursdays in a leap year. So, this is the question. Okay, now, first of all, what you have to see in a leap year, how many days are there? 360. 366 days in a leap year. Leap year means in February month you are having 29 days, है ना? Leap year means एक दिन ज़्यादा. और total if it is not a leap year then 365 days. Then if it is a leap year then it is 366 days. Okay. Now see. Now find the probability of having 53 Thursdays in a leap year. So 53 Thursdays in a leap year. So that means normally, see the statement, there are 366 days in a leap year where we have 52 complete weeks. Okay, so 366 days means 52 complete weeks we are having. So 52 into 7 that comes to 364 days and 2 additional days. Okay, 2 additional days means ये calculation के basis पे मैंने बताया. Like if it is 366 days in a leap year, then we are having 52 complete weeks. 52 complete weeks means if you are calculating 52 into 7, you are getting 364. You are getting 364. And here, according to us, leap year is 366. So, 2 days extra here, according to the calculation, 2 days extra here we are having. So each day appear once in a week and thus each day will appear 52 times in a week. Now the additional 2 days can be as follows, which gives the sample space. Now we have to, now this 364 days, we don't have to show the calculation of 364 days. Actually we have to show the calculation of this, the excess days. जो हमको 2 days extra जो दिख रहा है इसमें calculation के accordingly, वो 2 days के हमें calculations बताने, sample space बताने, right? So our sample spaces that 2 days can be Sunday, Monday, Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, and Saturday, Sunday. That 2 days can be from any of these days, right? So the total number of outcome will be 7. See how many days are there? 1, 2, means total outcome कितने? 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So total n comes to 7. Now event A, what is event A? Leap year has 53 Thursdays. So here according to the question, probability of having 53 probability of having 53 Thursdays. This is according in a leap year. This is according to the question in a leap year. In the question it is given in a leap year there is a 53 Thursdays. Okay. So event A is leap year has 53 Thursdays. Okay. Then अभी इनमें से Thursdays किसमें किसमें आ रहे वो देखो. See here Wednesday, Thursday, Friday 2. So our outcome is event A में outcome कितना आएगा? M कितना आएगा? 2. Okay. So again I am going to explain you. See here find the probability of having 53 Thursdays in a leap year. First of all our calculation starting with in a leap year there are total 366 days. वो वहाँ पर हो जाता है. और if it is a leap year then we are having 52 complete weeks. Okay, and if we are calculating 52 complete weeks को calculate करोगे जैसे 52 into 7, so it comes to 364. And our calculation says it is 364, and according to our leap year theory, it says that it is 366 days. अब ये 366 और 364 के बीच का difference क्या है? 2 days. So you have to make the calculation or you have to show the probability of this 2 days. That is your sample space should follow this 2 days. So for 2 days कोई भी हो सकता है. Sunday, Monday, Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, or Saturday, Sunday. Right? This 7 days, 7 outcomes हो सकते हैं. And it is said that 53 Thursdays in a leap year. In question, they are saying that in the 53 Thursdays in a leap year. So 53 Thursdays होने चाहिए. मीन्स 52 कंप्लीट वीक्स है, फिर 53 थर्सडे से, यानी एक डे एक्स्ट्रा है, थर्सडे में एक डे एक्स्ट्रा आ रहा है। ओके, तो ये हमारा जो सैंपल स्पेस में उसमें थर्सडे कहाँ कहाँ है वो देखो। एक तो वेडनेसडे थर्सडे में एक थर्सडे आ रहा है, थर्सडे फ्राइडे में एक थर्सडे आ रहा है। सो टू numbers we have taken, two things we have taken. So your event A is the leap year has 53 Thursdays, in that M comes to 2, right? Clear? So M comes to 2. Now we will see. Now next is P of A. So what is P of A? P of A is M upon, let me rub this up. P of A is M upon N. And what is M? M is 2 and N is 7. That is the total outcome, the sample space, right? So our P of A is 2 by 7. So required probability is 2 by 7. This is the calculation. This is how you have to show the calculation. 53 Thursdays in a leap year, that is given in the question, but according to our calculation says leap year means 366 and not a leap year means 365. ये सबको पता है. लीप ईयर होगा तो 52 वीक्स है, 52 कंप्लीट वीक्स है, और कैलकुलेशन कहता है कि 52 into 7 होगा तो 364 होता है. ओके, सो वो जो एक्सेस का जो 2 डेज है उसका कैलकुलेशन दिखा के उसका प्रोबेबिलिटी फाइंड किया है हमने यहाँ. Right? Now our next question, that is our 16th illustration. Now see, there are 2 officers, 3 clerks and 2 peons among the 7 employees working in the cash department of a bank. A committee is formed by randomly selecting 2 employees from the employees of this department. Find the probability that there are 2 peons. Means you have to make a committee of 2 employees. Out of these 2 officers, 3 clerks and 2 peons, total like कितने हैं? 7 है. So see, 7 employees, you have to make a committee of 2 person. Any 2 person can be selected. So first condition is 2 peons to be selected. Second condition is 2 clerk. Third condition is 1 officer, 1 clerk, and among the 2 employees selected in the committee. This are the conditions. Now, first of all, what you have to find is N. So what is N? See, here the condition is given that whenever it is said that you have to select, तो select होता है तो क्या होता है? Combination. I told you, we have learned in 11th standard. Na? In 11th standard we have seen that if it is selection word or selection word whenever comes, then we are using combination. Whenever it is arrangement, we are using permutation. So here it is said that out of 7, you have to select 2 person. So C 7 C2 होगा. So the answer comes to 21. So this 21 is your N. Okay. So first thing what you have to find immediately after reading the question is to find N. So here N is 7C2. Means out of the 7 employees, 2 are to be selected to form a committee. So select 2 करना है तो 7C2, that is 21. So our N is 21. Now our first condition, that is A. Event A is event of selecting 2 peons. Event of selecting 2 peons. So कितने peons है? Total 2 है. तो उसमें से 2 में से 2 को select करना है. तो हमारा arrangement कैसे होगा देखो. See how we are arranging. 2 peons select करना है तो 2C2 and 5C0 because total 7 है ना. तो हमारे पास 2C2 2 पियोन्स को सेलेक्ट करने के लिए कहा है तो 2 ही है पियोन्स हमारे पास. तो 2C2 इंटू 5C0. 5 कहाँ से आया? 7 टोटल है. 7 minus 2 is 5. तो 5 में से हमें किसी को भी सेलेक्ट नहीं करना है क्योंकि ऑलरेडी जो 2 सेलेक्ट करने को बोला एट ए टाइम वो सेलेक्ट हो गया. देन 2C2 इंटू 5C0, that is 1 into 1, that comes to 1. So event A, so P of A is M upon N, that is 1 upon 21. So M is 1 and N is 21. Right, like this you will be getting P of A. Now next is B, that is event of selecting 2 clerks. So how many clerks we have? We have 3 clerks. So out of this 3 you have to select 2. So 3C2 into 4C0. तो 4 कहाँ से आया? 7 में से 3 सेलेक्ट कर लिए हैं हमने. 3 क्लर्क्स है तो रिमेनिंग कितना है? 4. तो ये 4 में से हमको सेलेक्ट करने हैं रिमेनिंग को, तो रिमेनिंग कुछ बचता ही नहीं है कि 2 ही सेलेक्ट करना, तो एट अ टाइम हमने सेलेक्ट कर दिया, दैट इज 3C2 into 4C0, that is 3 into 1, that comes to 3. So your P of B is m upon n, that is 3 upon 21. So when you are reducing 3 upon 21, that comes to 1 upon 7, right? This arrangement, this combination sums, we have so many sums and so many times we have done the combination and permutation in 11th standard. At that time I told you that this is an important topic, permutation and combination, so be careful while learning this topic. Now next is event of selecting one officer and one clerk. Now, what you have to do, you have to select one officer and one clerk. So, there are total 2 officers. So, out of 2, you have to select one. So, that is 2C1. Then you have 3 clerks. So, out of 3, you have to select one. That is 3C1. So, total कितने थे 7. तो इसमें से हमने 2 plus 3 5 तो select हो गया. तो remaining कितना है? 7 में से 5 गया तो हमारे पास है 2. Right? अभी 2 में से 2C 0 हो जाएगा ये. राइट क्योंकि 1 plus 1 तो हमको 2 मिल गया है, टोटल सिलेक्शन था 2, सो 1 plus 1 is 2. ऑलरेडी वी हैव सेलेक्टेड 1 from the clerk and 1 from the, sorry, 1 from the officer and 1 from the clerk. So 2C1 into 3C1 into 2C0, that is 2 into 3 into 1. Okay, that comes to 6. So our P of C is m upon n, that is 6 upon 21, that comes to 2 by 7. So our P of C is 2 by 7. Okay, so this is the solution of your third event. Now, so this is our illustration. Okay, now let's see 16th illustration. Here we are completing. So now we will see next illustration. Let me rub this first. Okay, so combination होगा तो वो selection word, whenever the selection word is there in the question, we will go for combination. If it is arrangement, if the word arrangement is given, then we will go for permutation. Okay, now next, our 17th sum. This is also very interesting one. See, a box contains 20 items and 10% of them are defective. 3 items are randomly selected. Here again combination sum. 3 items are randomly selected from this box. Find the probability that 2 items are defective, 2 items are non-defective. All the 3 items are non-defective among the 3 selected items. So what is this? 2 items, 20 items are there. Out of this, 10% are defective. So 20% ka 20. What is the percentage of 20 ka 10%? That is 2. Right? So out of 20, so total is 20. So out of 20, 2 is defective. So remaining 18 is non-defective. This is ND. ND क्या हो जाएगा आप लोगों का? ND means non-defective. So मैंने short form लिखा है यहाँ पे. Okay. So ND means non-defective, and here D means defective. Okay. So here from this you have to select whatever is said in the question. So now from this you have to select 3 items. Okay. So total 20. So total 20. Out of this you have to select 2 items. So your solution comes to, sorry, 3 items you have to select. So your solution comes to, if you are calculating, your solution comes to 1140. So 20 होगा तो 20 into 19 into 18 divided by 2 into 3 into 2 into 1, right? पता है ना कॉम्बिनेशन कैसा है? 20 को भी 3 टाइम्स रिवर्स में ले जाना और 3 को भी रिवर्स में 1 तक 3 टाइम्स लेके जाना. जैसे 20 into 19 into 18 and 3 into 2 into 1. That is combination का solution हम ऐसे करते हैं. That comes to 1140, right? Here we got, this is our n. Okay. Now first is 2 items are defective. Now event A. First A is event that 2 items are defective. So if A में defective कितने हैं हमारे पास? 2. Okay. So what you will be doing? See here. Now here 2 items are defective, right? And ओके, तो 2 आइटम्स डिफेक्टिव है, तो इसमें से क्या बोला है कि इवेंट ऑफ गेटिंग 2 डिफेक्टिव आइटम्स अमंग द 3 सेलेक्टेड आइटम्स आउट ऑफ 2 टोटल 3 सेलेक्ट करने, तो डिफेक्टिव में से 2 सेलेक्ट किया और रिमेनिंग एक और चाहिए हमको, क्योंकि टोटल 3 वी हैव टू सेलेक्ट, तो आउट ऑफ डिफेक्टिव 2 we have selected, only 2 was there, that's why 2 we have selected, and the remaining one that was left is we will select from non defective 18C1. So this comes to 1 into 18. That is 1 into 18. Okay. So your M is 18. This is your M. Okay. The P of A is M upon N. That is 18 upon 1140. That if you are reducing, it will be 3 upon 190. So this is the answer of your event A, P of A. Okay. इसमें कहा था टोटल 2 डिफेक्टिव आइटम्स को सेलेक्ट करने हैं, बट टोटल सिलेक्शन कितना होना चाहिए 3, तो 2 ही था, तो 2 में से तो 2 ही सेलेक्ट होगा, 2 में से 3 कभी सेलेक्ट होगा ही नहीं, सो 2C2 इनटू एक और सेलेक्ट करना, दैट वी विल बी सेलेक्ट फ्रॉम नॉन डिफेक्टिव. ओके, इफ यू आर आस्किंग दैट यू आर थिंकिंग दैट नॉन डिफेक्टिव कैसे सेलेक्ट करेंगे जब डिफेक्टिव बोला है, तो लेकिन करना है कुछ ना कुछ तो, क्योंकि टोटल 3 थिंग्स को हमें सेलेक्ट करना है, तो 2 जो था डिफेक्टिव था उसमें से ले लिया, और एक जो बचा था वो नॉन डिफेक्टिव में से लिया. दैट इज नॉट एन इशू. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज event of getting 2 non defective. Okay, so two non defective among the 3 selected items. One minute. Okay, so event of getting 2 non-defective item amongst the 3 selected items. Okay, so B ऐसा था non-defective. So how many non-defectives you have? 18. So 18C2 into again the same thing. One more you have to select. That is you will be selecting from the defective. That is 2C1. Means what I want to tell you that this total should be 3 and this total should be 20. Means total हमारा 20 था, तो ये total हमारा 20 आना चाहिए, और ये जो टोटल है हमारा 3 आना चाहिए जो सिलेक्शन का, राइट. सो 18C2 into 2C1, that is 153 into 2, that comes to 309. now our P of B is M upon N, right? M upon N है हमारा, so M is 306 upon 1140. So by reducing you will be getting 51 upon 190. Right, this is our P of B. P of B is 51 upon 190. Now, event of getting all the 3 non-defective items, that is C. So, all the 3 non-defective items, the total non-defective कितने थे? 18. 18 into 3 into 18C3 into 2C0, that is 816 into 1, that is 816. Now, P of C is M upon N, that is 816 divided by 1140. So, reducing you will be getting 68 upon 95, that is P of C is 68 upon 95. Okay, so this much is, I think this much is clear for you. Defective, non-defective, combination, permutation and everything should be very much clear. Now next is illustration number 18. Now 18th illustration, a box contains 18 chits of which 3 chits are eligible for a prize. A boy named Kathan randomly selects 2 chits from this box. Find the probability that Kathan gets the prize. Now listen carefully. This is an important question. Take this important in your text. Important, very, very important. Huh? So let's see. Now there are 10 chits of which 3 chits are eligible for a prize and 7 chits are not eligible for a prize. इसका मतलब ये है कि हमारे पास एक बॉक्स में 10 चिट्स है, छोटे छोटे चिट्स 10 है, तो 10 में से मैंने 3 में ही प्राइजेस लिखे हैं और बाकी के जो 7 है सारे ब्लैंक है. Got it? So in a box I put 10 chits, and in that 10 chits only 3 chits are having prizes and rest of all the 7 are having not having any prize. Okay. So if 2 chits are randomly selected from this 10 chits, then the number of mutually exclusive, exhaustive and equiprobable outcomes in the sample space will be. What it will be means you have to select from that box. I have mixed up everything that eligible for prize, the prize getting chits and non that is empty chits, everything I have mixed up. Now in the box total 10 chits are there, and I don't know which is having prize and which is not having prize, and I have to randomly select 2 chits. Okay. So what is the possibility? That is 10C2. N क्या होगा? 10C2. That is 10 into 9 upon 2 into 1. That is 45. Okay. So N comes to 45. And it is said that if A is event of Kathan getting a prize. So Kathan getting a prize is, see here what they have done. 3 chits में prize थे, right? So they have selected, first they have what they have selected, जो 7 chits है उसमें से select कर लिया है जो non prize वाला chit है. तो 7C2 हो जाएगा तो क्या आ जाएगा? 21 आएगा. तो P of A dash find किया है. A dash is equal to M upon N, that is 21 upon 45, that is 7 by 50. Then you have to find P of A, that is getting a prize. Getting a prize, that is equal to 1 minus P of A, that is 1 minus 7 by 50, that is 8 by 15. So probability that Kathan gets prize is 8 by 15. So they have done what they have selected. Getting a prize को नहीं select किया है, not getting a prize को पहले calculation किया है. That is P of A dash था हमारा. A क्या था? Getting a prize, and not getting a prize होगा तो A dash. मैंने कहा था जब no, not ये सब word आएगा तो हम A dash dash complementary के लिए वो negative word use होता है. Okay, for complementary we are using the negative word, no, not, and that type of words we are using for complementary. So P of A dash is equal to M upon N, that is 21 upon 45, that is 7 upon 50. So P of A क्या मिलेगा हमें? 1 minus P of A dash, that is 1 minus 7 by 15, that is 8 upon 15. Thus the probability that Kathan gets prize is 8 upon 15. Okay. So this is one important sum. Now see, a few theory is there. Now you have to see that the limitations. The limitation of the mathematical definition of probability are as follows. First is the probability of an event cannot be found by these definitions if there are infinite outcomes in the sample space of a random experiment. So some limitations are also there. जहाँ advantages होता है वहाँ disadvantages भी होता है, जहाँ positive things होते हैं वहाँ negatives भी होते हैं. So here there are few limitations they are showing us, that this probability formula is not applicable in all the circumstances. So where it is not possible, let's see. The probability of an event cannot be found by this definition if there is an infinite outcome. If the outcome is infinite, then we can't use this probability definition. Okay, then second is the probability of an event cannot be found by this definition if the total number of outcomes in the sample space of a random experiment are not known. Means if the sample space, in a sample space, if the total outcomes, यानी sample point हमें नहीं पता होगा, that only they are saying infinite होगा, so we are not able to find the sum by this probability definition method. Now the third is the probability of an event cannot be found by this definition if the elementary outcome in the sample space of a random experiment are not equiprobable. The probability of an item cannot be found by this definition if the elementary outcome in the sample space of a random experiment are not equiprobable. If they are not equiprobable, then we are not able to find the probability by this definition. And I told you what is equiprobable also. I explained that one. Then next is the word equiprobable is mentioned in the mathematical definition of probability. Equiprobable events are the events which with same probability. Thus, the word probability is used in the definition of probability only. Okay, so these are the limitations, and children, you have to learn this definition also, this limitations. Advantages and limitations of probability is an important question, so you have to learn this step. This points, 4 points है तो सारे 4 points पढ़ने. It is like 11th standard में मैं बोलती थी ना इतने points पढ़ो इतने points पढ़ो, इसमें ऐसा नहीं है. You have to learn each and everything. जितना ज़्यादा पढ़ोगे उतने ज़्यादा marks आएंगे. ओके, जितना कम पढ़ोगे उतने ही कम मार्क्स आएंगे. ओके, मेहनत करो, पढ़ो. सिर्फ ये अभी मार्क्स तक ही तो पढ़ना है आप लोगों को, है ना. टाइम भी है, अच्छे से पढ़ सकते हो, पढ़ो. राइट. So now this is here we are completing our probability illustration. That probability of from definitions, sums we have seen, till illustrations, this many illustrations we have seen, and here we are completing that definition. And in the next video I will be explaining you exercise 1.1. See, in exercise 1.1 how many questions are there I will see. Exercise 1.1 में है 1 2 3 से लेकर almost 18 questions are there. Okay, and all the questions are not that much tough, but it is easy and it is very interesting. देखो ये लास्ट के सम्स है ना जो हमने वो कंडीशंस लर्न किए हैं ना, बस उसी पे डिपेंड है. दैट यू हैव टू लर्न. आई टोल्ड यू टू लर्न एंड राइट एंड लर्न दैट formulas. Each and every formula you have to learn. Okay, so that I will be explaining in the next video. So this is your till here only I will be explaining. And children, please submit your PDF. Why you people are not submitting? I don't know why you people are not submitting all the PDF. So I will do one thing. Those students who are not submitting the PDF, I will that attendance percentage I have to show to Rishikesh. So at that time I will show less percentage. Those who are not submitting, that means they are not attending. Though they are not attentive, that's why I will be showing the percentage. I will be showing less. So 10% कम ही होगा. Okay, 10 to 20%. इसका 70% attendance हो रहा है अभी तक में. I will be showing only 50%. 20% attendance I will be minus. Okay, so that is the only thing that what I can do. And from September 21st, if you are, I am going to call the students if the school is allowing to call the children. So first week students start. Week students are called first. Okay. So this is our end of this video. We'll see you in the next video. Okay. Thank you so much.